Om Shanti. Life is a journey. Along this path, we will be confronted with many situations. Some are filled with joys, some are filled with hardships. The road is not so smooth, we have to face many challenges. Everything would be easier if the surrounding environment is under our control. But many a times, we observe that we have to live at the mercy of events. In such a situation, future becomes rarely clear and there are two choices: worrying or caring. There is a big difference between these two. Let us say in a company, announcement has been made that 100 people will be made redundant, and especially a person has been said by higher officials that maybe you are at risk. There are people who immediately start worrying about the potential consequences. They start terrifying about losing their jobs. They go into their shells and start taking safer decisions but unrealistic decisions rather than the right ones. Wherever they go, they spread fear and negative energy by gossiping and speculating. If one of his colleagues did not meet the sales target, this worrying person feels very happy and secure because he will be first fired rather than this worrier person. See, worrying nature is a stealthy emotion. It will rob our positivity. It will steal our peace of mind. The more we worry, the more we become possessive, the more we become selfish. In such cases, worry becomes deeper and deeper. Now, we have other category of people whose thoughts are of caring. They wonder who might be worst affected by this announcement and start helping them. The one who is of caring nature, they are very positive. They are action oriented. Action is their solution for the problem, not speculating and gossiping. These people, wherever they go, they will spread positive energy. They will boost confidence in their colleagues. They think about positive solutions. The person who starts taking care of the situations or the people will not lose any sight of the opportunities and always hope for the best. They will help their colleagues and in turn will be supported by their colleagues. They act as a glue and keep all their team together. This is the wonder which caring nature will do. Fear is a negative energy. Caring is projected from a positive energy. Whenever there is fear, definitely negative qualities also pop up along with this fear. Not worrying does not mean not planning. Not worrying means taking care of the situations, being careful in the situations. Worrying is seeing the black cloud, while caring is seeing the silver lining of the cloud. Worrying is taking safer decisions but not right decisions. Caring is slowly and steadily taking right decisions. Worry is like a fire. Chinta chita hai. It will burn us into ashes. Please remember, worrying and fearing is not a normal life. It is completely leading our life in a negative and ignorant manner. Nowadays, in the outbreak of this pandemic, this coronavirus, the mental problems have been increased in such a drastic way that especially OCDs. The problem of OCD is horribly increasing. OCD is an anxiety disorder that has come up with worry. Obsessive compulsive disorder. The behavior of these OCDs is like excessive hand washing, too much cleaning, again and again checking the log, too much of behavior, obsessive behavior, and they can't resist doing that. Now, ironically, the routine of OCDs has surprisingly suddenly become the routine of everyone. Every one of us has to be very careful whom we are meeting, what we are touching, whom we are talking to. We are also maintaining a little bit excessive hygienic precautions. Now, seeing the precautions prescribed for this virus, OCDs are questioning psychologists that you are also, no, I mean, whom you call as normal people, you are also practicing the same precautions, then why should we call me as patients? Why should we undergo treatment? Thinking in this manner, their OCD nature, their mental disorder is still more increasing. See, OCD itself is a worry disorder, it is an anxiety disorder. A normal person, as a precautionary step, when he washes his hand, it is a different thing. OCDs again and again cleaning their hands with phenyl, with surf. OCD definitely is a mental disorder. You cannot say OCD to be a hygienic practice. Presently, because of the virus, we have to be more careful about the hygienic precautions. All the time we are living in between many viruses and many bacteria, and some of them are very helpful to us. This excessive hygienic practice has not been proposed by our elders. They had proposed a very hygienic and balanced hygienic precautions. So, in the name of virus, mental disorders are increasing, OCDs are increasing. All this is because of worry. Already people who are in trouble mentally, their mental problem is increasing because of their worry nature. Let us not worry. Stop worrying. Worry is a pyre. Worry is a negative attitude. Worry is mind's darkness. चिंताज्वरो मनुष्याणां क्षुधां निद्रां बलं हरेत् रूपमुत्साह बुद्धिं श्रीं जीवितं च न संशयाः. A shloka taken from Skanda Purana. This shloka compares worry with fever. Chinta-jvaro. This shloka says that this worry will snatch us away our hunger, our sleep and our strength. Kshudam, Nidram, Balam, Haret. Rupam, Utsaha, Buddhim, Shreem, Jeevitam cha. Rupam, beauty, enthusiasm, wealth, intellect, the whole life. Na samshaya, undoubtedly. Even our elders suggested that worry is like a fear. A worry which is taking my life from me. Is it necessary for me to maintain that worry in my mind? Not at all. Stop worrying. Start caring. Be fearless. Take help from God. He will help you. Our soul will be having this much of power, which is not enough to pass the situation. Now, I need this much of energy to pass the situation. Who will give me that extra energy? Definitely that supreme power. So, when I feel that I have to be courageous, but simultaneously some people say that I am not having enough strength to be fearless. Now, that sufficient energy we have to take from God. You remember our new normal mantra we discussed in our first episode? Right. Again, new normal mantra is what? Your mind in a fresh mood, your mind in a fearless condition, always be in remembrance of God, believe in yourself, stop worrying and start caring. Be healthy, be happy. Om Shanti.